Have you ever chosen silence, not out of anger, from a place of peace? Have you ever stepped back from a woman, stopped reaching out, stopped calling, and simply allowed space to speak louder than words? And then something shifts. Maybe she reaches out. Maybe she withdraws deep. Maybe she surprises you all. My brother, hear this truth. When you walk away in stillness, her heart will answer. And how she responds reveals more than her words ever could. By the end of this video, you'll understand the deeper psychology behind her reaction. And I'll share a mindset, simple but powerful, that will change the way you approach these moments forever. Stay with me, because the final revelation, step 5, may open your eyes. Welcome back to the place where we explore the spirit of relationships, the strength of manhood, and the silent power that flows when you stop chasing and start leading. Today, we journey into what truly unfolds when you stop speaking to a woman. Whether your silence is born from wisdom or from weariness, her reaction is the mirror, and what it reflects is everything. Here's what many men fail. Silence isn't absence. It's presence in a higher form. And when you understand this, you unlock not just her truth, but your own power. Stay till the end, because there's one key, one simple shift that gives you complete peace and complete control. Step 1, test of silence. When you choose silence and pull away, one of the first things a woman may do is test your spirit. She might send a random message, comment on something trivial, or revive a memory, not always out of love, but often to see if she still holds power over your attention. Her heart, whether she knows it or not, seeks validation. And if you were once the giver of that, your quiet creates a space she's unsure how to fill. So she reaches, not to reconnect, to check. If you rush to respond, she learns you're still within her grasp. But if you remain calm, patient, and unmoved, you shift the balance. Your silence becomes strength. And if she doesn't reach out at all, well, that too carries a message worth hearing. Step 2, the illusion of indifference. Some women won't reach out when you go silent. Instead, they'll act completely unbothered. You'll see her sharing happy moments on social media as if life is perfect. But beneath this facade, she's often watching and may feel insecure. This act of indifference can confuse you, making you wonder about your impact. Remember, true strength is found in your silence. And not everyone who seems free is genuinely at peace. Step 3, the anger of abandonment. If a woman is accustomed to your constant attention, your sudden silence may ignite anger or frustration. She might accuse you of playing games, being immature, or changing, yet all you've done is stop chasing. This reaction reveals her discomfort with the shift in dynamics. But what if she responds in a completely different way? That's where step 4 comes into play. Step 4, the search for replacement. One of the most perplexing reactions occurs when a woman starts entertaining other men after you go silent. She might post pictures with a new guy, flirt online, or showcase her options. This behavior isn't always driven by genuine attraction. Often, it's a response to your absence. She seeks to provoke jealousy, elicit a reaction, or fill the void you left. Yet, amidst this chaos, there's one more reaction that reveals the true state of your relationship. Let's explore step 5, the journey of reflection. If a woman truly values you, your silence will lead her to self-reflection. After initial reactions, testing, acting unbothered, getting angry, or seeking attention elsewhere, she will confront the reality of your absence. In this moment, that genuine change can occur. If this video has offered you a new perspective, please hit the like button, drop a comment, and share your experiences with these reactions. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on self-improvement and relationships. For now, subscribe and watch this short video.